At last, it seems AWS is waking up to the reality of multi-cloud. If you have worked with AWS for any number of time, you would know that they are not much happy to discuss about multi-cloud, but it seems the solution which you are seeing on your screen, which I have taken from one of their blog, and I'll drop the link in video's description to this blog. They are mentioning to connect AWS Athena service with Google Cloud Platform. And in Google Cloud Platform, they are accessing the Google Cloud Storage bucket, which is similar to what we have AWS S3. And AWS Athena is getting integrated with it seamlessly. Let me give you an overview of this solution as how it is working. The Athena Google Cloud Storage connector is being used here, which uses both AWS and GCP, and both of these cloud providers are interacting with each other seamlessly. In this one, if you start from the left, we have a user interacting with Amazon Athena and getting the file from a CSV file from Google Cloud Storage. And AWS Athena is a serverless interactive analytics service, and you can use Athena to run queries on data stored on Google Cloud Storage, just like you do on AWS S3 bucket. Then we have a Lambda function, which is again a serverless service that is event driven and manages the underlying resources for you. And in this solution, we are deploying the Lambda function data source connector to connect AWS with GCP. AWS Secret Manager is there to hold your secrets, and we also have a Glue, which is again a data analytics service for data discovery, preparation, and integration. In this solution, we are creating AWS Glue database and table to point to the correct bucket and files within GCP. And then we have our S3 bucket, and S3 bucket, as you know, it is just to store the objects. And on the Google Cloud side, on the right hand side, we have Google Cloud Storage, which is again a managed service by Google to store unstructured data as objects, just like we have S3. And we are also using identity access management from Google. I will drop the link to this blog post from AWS where you can, if you want to deploy it, you can simply run this easily or just follow the screen prompt and you should be able to configure it. But the striking and interesting thing is that this is how you can minimize the time and effort required to access data on Google Cloud if you want to from AWS. And if you're running any data pipeline in Google Cloud, you can now integrate it with your own data pipeline in AWS. And I think if you are using BigQuery in Google Cloud, you may just throw your data into GCS, a Google Cloud bucket, and then maybe access it from Athena by using this solution. So the options are really great here, and I'm sure that soon we might be able to connect AWS with BigQuery directly. I hope that you like it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.